Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. I'm Lisa Grace and today I'm going to show you this really cute tie-dye print using gel polish. Okay, so I've got my two coats of Snow White on the nail and they have both been cured and I have them wiped over with the gel residue wipe off solution. Today I'm going to be using Amethyst Fall, Looking Glass, Icy Blizzard, Buttercup, Trixie, and I will be using Hawaiian Lei. I'm also going to be using a dotting tool and the Neo Nails 003. So I'm going to be doing the same technique on all of the nails, just in different variations. So you can pretty much use any colours that you like in any order that you like, whether it's neons or pastels. We're just going to add each section at a time. I'm just using my dotting tool for this bit. You can use a short striper brush if you want to. Okay, so with your striper brush, I'm going to pull down the nail, drag those colours through. And then I'm going to drag back up in between each of those lines. And then that can go in for a full kill. Okay, with this one, I'm going to start off with an oval sort of shape down bottom. And I'm just going to build the colour up around that. Don't worry too much if the colours do touch. Okay, same technique, I'm going to pull through these colours, but I'm going to be pulling towards the centre here all the time. I'm going to pull that down. And then pull back up in the opposite direction between those lines. Okay, that can go. Okay, I'm going to do this one slightly differently. I'm going to do top portion of this now in white. Okay, that can go in. Okay, and I'm going to continue with the same technique, just in different directions on the remaining 2 nails. And I'm going to top coat these. And they can go into the lamp for a full cure. And I've just finished off those nails with a little bit of cuticle oil using the vanilla cuticle oil from the nails. So here is my finished design. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and all the links to the products used will be in the description box below. Thanks guys.